This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by clearing resources so Roblox can run. First, free at least 2 GB of storage and reboot. This flushes temporary files and reduces paging. Once done, close access Chrome tabs and background apps using the Task Manager to free CPU and RAM. Make sure Linux or other VM services are disabled unless required because they consume memory. These steps prioritize what Roblox needs: CPU cycles, GPU access, and free RAM, so you get immediate, measurable improvements. Now you optimize Roblox itself and the network. Inside Roblox, drop rendering quality to around 812 and turn off shadows or high-res textures to cut GPU load. This directly reduces frame drops. Then cap frame rate to 30 or 60 to stabilize performance and avoid overheating. Next, prioritize a wired connection or 5 GHz Wi-Fi for lower latency, and disable Chrome extensions that interfere with bandwidth. These adjustments balance visuals versus performance so gameplay stays smooth without stressing your Chromebook. Finish by tuning system options and handling stubborn problems. Enable hardware acceleration in Chrome if it's off. This shifts video work to your GPU and reduces stutter. Make sure Chrome OS and any graphics drivers are updated. Updates often fix scheduler and thermal issues. If nothing improves, power wash only as a last resort because it wipes data. Instead, try another user account or reinstall the Roblox client to rule out profile corruption. If crashes remain, check for overheating and cool the device. Thermal throttling is a common cause of lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.